Here it comes. The newest version of America's most popular car. The classically stunning Olds Cutlass Supreme. Makes you think the Cutlass mystique was created entirely on style alone.
MIKEGTV. It's June 21st. It is 2:29. I'm on my way to work. I'm right around the corner from my job. I just called the guy, the paint guy. He told me the car will be done today. He said it's almost done. He's putting it back together. But I can't pick it up today because I'm on my way to work. So hopefully tomorrow it's all right. Everything's good. But I'll let you guys know tomorrow. Hopefully this car's good, man. On the way to work, I almost got into 2 accidents. One a block away from each other. I swear, in my neighborhood, those people don't know how to drive, but I need my car back. I got junkyard trips to be taken. I got videos to be making. I swear, I think I got like 1 video left. I got a lot of videos to be making, so hopefully everything goes good tomorrow and I get my car. I don't work Friday, so I could finish putting the car back together because I still got stuff to put on there, like the headlight bezels and the hood ornament. I might just leave it off for like a week, let the paint dry some more, because I see last time when I was rushing, I wasn't rushing. He told me that the car was going to be done in 2 weeks, and it was 2.5 months later. But I see that he put the stuff on, and when I took it off, it was like, because I guess the paint was still soft when he put all the stuff on, that you could see the mark from where the, like the grill and stuff, you could still see the mark. So I think he put the stuff on with the paint still wet. So I'll probably just keep everything off for like a week, let that paint dry. But I don't know, we'll see. You know I want to put it back together and get it over with, but we'll see tomorrow. I'm at the bank right now getting this guy his money. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 50. Very good. So he's all done once I give him this money. But yeah, on my way back to work. All right, I'm here at the bus stop. Hopefully for the last time. I'm on my way to go pick up my car. The guy, I called him yesterday and asked him what was going on. He said he's finishing up the car right now, and it will be done later, but I had to go to work, so I couldn't pick it up that day. So right now I'm on my way to go pick it up. Hopefully he's at the shop. If not, I'm just going to have to wait for him to get there, but I'll call him. And I got my money, I got his money in my back pocket, so I'm pretty sure he'll come get his money. So yeah, the bus should be here like 5 minutes. See what happens. All right, I finally almost made it. Right around the corner, I can see my car from here in Pawtucket. There we go. First look at it, you see it when I'm seeing it. Walk around real quick.
Can you see the price, please?
I don't know. I don't work here. This is my car. I'm picking it up right now.
Thank you.
You gotta go in there and ask them.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. But yeah. Look straight. So, what do I have to check? I don't know. Let me go in here and talk to him. I just got in the car and this is what the song's on.
You hate my 98. You're gonna get yours.
You're gonna get yours. Finally got my car back. No more asking for rides, no more taking the bus, hopefully. But I'm on my way to the Junkyard to see if they got some more parts for one of my subscribers. I'm gonna see if they got anything to put the jack and the tire in the trunk too. I didn't really get to look last time because I was in a rush because I got a ride and it was raining. So since I'm right down the street from it, I'm gonna go up in here right now and see what else they got left on this car. This car's probably bare metal right now, but check it out while I'm up here. But yeah, I'm happy I got my car back. You can't really tell that it got hit. I gotta wash it. I'm gonna wait like a week or whatever to wash it. I want that paint to dry. But I'm at the Junkyard right now, so talk to you guys later. All right, I'm back doing this again. At least today there's no rain. Let me get to the car. Yeah, I don't think this one is any good for you. It's bent right there. It's not gonna be any good for you. But let me see what else this car got for you. I see vents. So you got, this one looks good. The middle one's gone. So basically one vent. Dirty. Just got out of the Junkyard. I got a lot of stuff. I ended up only getting one vent for my subscriber. They didn't have the other piece. I know where the other piece is at. My friend took it, but I'll ask him how much he wants for it. For the guy, and see. I don't know. I don't even know. He told me he took the radio bezel thing. He didn't tell me about the vent, but I'll call him and ask him if he got it. See what's up with that. But finally got my car back. I can't believe it. It's already shaking. I feel it already. Just sitting here at the red light, shaking. I got the piece out of the carburetor. Oh my God, that piece was hard to take out of that carburetor. I got so many bolts in that carburetor. But I gotta get something to drink and then bring my butt home. Thirsty. Then I gotta go to work. Cherry lemonade. The Pelagi's lemonade truck was right in front of me. I pulled them over. Just what I needed. So this is the thing that the guy told me that is probably why my car is running bad on idle. This is, what is it? The mixture control solenoid. I took it out of the car at the junkyard. I just took it because maybe it will work, maybe not. It's always good to have extra, but I'm going to try to find one brand new. They have them on eBay for, I think, $80, $90. But I just took it because it was there, and I'd rather take it before somebody else does. This is some more stuff I got from there. This thing, I think mine's is broke. This is for the bumper lights. This is what holds them in place. I gotta send those to one of my subscribers that bought the bumper lights. So I gotta send those because I gotta send them that other piece. Just a bunch of stuff I took from the junkyard. This is that thing that I broke that was from my that made my vent work. This is the original piece right here, so I'm gonna put that on. This is a GM. That's factory. Damn, I forgot what they call these things. But I got the whole thing. I got the whole wiring harness because mine's. I broke one of the clips, one of these things that hold it in, maybe both of them. So, just a little bit of stuff that I got from that car. I don't know how the paint guy saved that piece because I didn't give him the new one, and that thing was bent, and it doesn't even look like it was ever bent. But this is the new one that I got. I don't know, this thing's in bad shape, so I'm still gonna have to find another one. The grills, that's coming off, and my brand new one's going in. The car needs to be washed, but I'm not gonna wash it right now because the paint is still wet, and I just want to let it dry more before I even mess with it. The only thing that I see that is bad on the car, I got the pinstripes too. I gotta wait till I wash the car and put those on. They just came in a couple days ago. But all this is compound or whatever. I'll show you the rest of the stuff that I got from the junkyard. It's in the trunk. I got the grill. Another grill, so now I got 3 grills. These things are going out to somebody from one of the Facebook group chats. He asked if anybody had them, and I got a whole bunch of them, so I'm gonna send those out to him hopefully tomorrow. This is for my subscriber that I was telling you about earlier. He needed more pieces, but this is the only one they had, and it's still good too. They got all the pins on it, all the clips. But those are the extra hood. So I got these things. I got the grill, this, and the stuff I showed you that's on the floor in the front seat. And I took for all 4 of these things too. I got some more in the house. I'll throw this thing away, that's no good. But it's always good to have extras, especially since you can't find these cars anywhere. But I gotta go to work. It's time for me to go in.